Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dicor sealant is probably one of the most essential products for RV owners, ensuring a watertight seal on your RV's roof. This video dives deep into the world of Dicor, exploring its application, durability, and why it's a top choice for protecting your RV from the elements. We'll cover everything from the initial application to long-term maintenance, helping you make an informed decision and keep your RV in top condition. Number 5. Dicor 501 LSW 1 EPDM lap sealant, 10.3 ounces. This is Dicor 501 LSW 1, a self-leveling lap sealant designed for RV roofing. It's specifically formulated to provide a durable and reliable seal, ensuring your roof remains protected from the elements. It is easy to apply and provides long-lasting protection. The sealant is sunray stabilized, which means it resists degradation and discoloration from UV exposure. This feature helps maintain the integrity and appearance of your RV roof over time. It ensures that it won't stain or discolor the roofing material. Dicor 501 LSW 1 comes in a clean white color, adding a stylish touch to your RV roof. The color is designed to blend seamlessly with various roofing materials, enhancing the overall aesthetic. It provides a clean and professional finish. The self-leveling formula makes application smooth and effortless, especially on horizontal surfaces. This feature ensures a consistent and even seal, eliminating the need for extensive manual smoothing. It simplifies the process and saves you time. The product comes in a convenient 10.3 ounces tube, providing an ample amount for your sealing needs. The size is ideal for various RV roofing projects, ensuring you have enough to complete the job. It's easy to store and use. This sealant is compatible with EPDM, TPO, and PVC membranes, and adheres firmly to aluminum, mortar, wood, vinyl, galvanized metal, fiberglass, and concrete. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of RV roofing applications. It provides a strong bond on various surfaces. What we like. This self-leveling sealant ensures a smooth, even application on horizontal surfaces. Its UV stabilization prevents discoloration, keeping your roof looking pristine. If you're looking for an easy-to-apply sealant that works with various roofing materials, this is a great choice. What people say. Dicor products are easy to use. The product is easy to apply and has good adhesion. It is a great product for sealing the roof. Number 4. Dicor RP-CRP-Q EPDM rubber roof coating, 1 gallon. This coating is perfect for extending the life of your RV's EPDM rubber roof. It acts as a protective barrier, keeping your roof in top condition. This is a great choice for retrofit installations. The white hue not only looks great but also helps to keep your RV cooler. This coating provides a beautiful and stylish finish for your roof. It's a simple way to upgrade the look of your RV. This coating is specifically designed for use with EPDM and PVC roofing. For best results, use it with Dicor Rubber Roof Cleaner Activator. This ensures proper adhesion and a long-lasting finish. 1 gallon covers approximately 125 square feet per coat. This efficient coverage helps you save time and money. You'll save over 25% in labor compared to similar systems. This product comes in a convenient 1 gallon size. It's designed for universal fit, making it easy to apply. It's a simple way to protect and beautify your RV roof. What we like. This coating acts as a protective barrier, extending the life of your EPDM roof. It also saves you time and effort with its efficient application. If you have an EPDM or PVC roof and want a durable, easy-to-apply coating, consider this option. What people say. Used a pump-up deck sprayer to put the cleaner down and rinsed with a pressure washer. Worked great. For step 2, the coating, I used a Graco airless sprayer. This is the way to go. It was very easy and fast to lay down an even coat. Prep and application are very straightforward, as detailed on the can. Also watch YouTube video RV Rubber Roof Coating System by Dicor. The product applied easier than painting the walls of a room. I did not notice a strong smell and the flow and coverage was really good, not sticky. Used a roller and paintbrush as needed. Number 3. Dicor RP-CRP-Q EPDM Rubber Roof Coating System. This roof coating system is designed to extend the life of your EPDM rubber roof. It's a universal fit, making it suitable for various RVs. This product is easy to use, saving you time and effort. It can save you more than 25% in labor compared to other products. This 1-quart container offers a 125 square foot coverage rate. It provides excellent coverage for your roof. The coating dries quickly, allowing you to finish the job faster. The cleaner activator prepares the surface for full coating. It contains no harmful petroleum distillates, harsh abrasives, or citric ingredients. This ensures a clean and safe application for your roof. What we like. This cleaner activator prepares your roof for optimal coating adhesion. It dries quickly, saving you time during the application process. If you want a safe and effective way to prep your EPDM roof for coating, this is the product for you. What people say. Dicor products are easy to use. The product works as advertised. The product is a good value. Number 2. Dicor RP-CRP-Q RV Roof Renew Kit. This kit is designed to make your rubber roof look brand new. It's a complete system to renew and protect your RV roof. The kit provides a beautiful white hue, enhancing the look of your RV. It gives the roof a fresh, clean appearance. This kit works seamlessly with all Dicor sealants, tapes, and adhesives. You can be sure that it will work with your existing Dicor products. The kit is designed for quick and simple installation. You can easily apply it yourself, saving time and money. The kit includes everything you need for the job. It comes with the coating, cleaner, tape, and all the necessary tools. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to renew your RV roof. It's designed for quick and simple installation, making the process hassle-free. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to refresh your roof, this kit has you covered. What people say. Great product. Watch the installation video on YouTube. I followed those instructions and it worked beautifully. It's been over a year and a half now and the roof still looks like new. This kit did the trick. Put a new coat of coating on my 5th wheel and it looks fabulous. Just follow the directions and you will have no problems. Number 1. Dicor 401 CK RV Rubber Roof Kit. This kit includes everything you need for your RV roof repair. It comes with bonding adhesive, butyl tape, and lap sealant. It's designed to make your repair job easier. Inside, you'll find 2 gallons of water-based bonding adhesive, 150 feet of butyl tape, and 6 tubes of lap sealant. These are all essential for a proper and lasting repair. This kit has got you covered. The kit features a dove, bright white, color, giving your RV roof a clean and attractive look. The color is designed to blend seamlessly with your existing roof. It's a great way to refresh your RV. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions included. You can also find a detailed guide on the Dicor website. It's made for use with EPDM and D-Flex roofing materials. The total weight of the kit is 34 pounds, making it easy to handle. Please note that the roofing membrane is sold separately. This kit is a great choice for your RV. What we like. This kit includes bonding adhesive, butyl tape, and lap sealant for comprehensive repairs. It's designed for easy installation, with clear instructions provided. If you need a complete solution for repairing your RV roof, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Dicor products are great and easy to use. The product is easy to apply and creates a watertight seal. It works as advertised and is a great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.